Leaves. There are many kinds of leaves. Let's talk about few of them. Alder. Alder leaves are erect in shape and have a leathery touch, so it's not very soft. Then there is chestnut. Chestnut leaves comprise 5 to 7 pointed, toothed leaflets, so they're very sharp in the corner. Then there are oak leaves. Oak leaves have very deep lobes and smooth edges. Then we have the all famous maple leaf. The maple leaf is the characteristic leaf of the maple tree, also found in orange and red color. Beech leaf. Beech leaves are oval and pointed at the tip with a wavy edge.